never understand the things that we want. Why do you keep coming back? I want love you don't know. So why are you here? Yeah. I should take it back so that you don't know where my heart is at. Don't want you to know my love is lost. Well, there's only one thing left to do. My heart is breaking, wanting you, so I say goodbye.
Watch me.
Royal Caribbean is turning 50, and we want to celebrate with you. For the past 50
What is it?
We're celebrating 50 years bold.
Also, would like to bring it to
Royal
attention
Caribbean.
that after 7 long months,
Oh, wait.
quite a few of our crew happy with
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yes.
Great, thank
Yes. Great.
you. So we're celebrating Royal Caribbean's 50 years bold, 1969, 2019, because I know that because it's on the card. But
Yep.
they brought us this cool little cake. Go check it out. It's got a lollipop. This reminds me of a unicorn.
Oh, kind
A
of.
little bit. You know what I mean? Yeah? You know?
You got one too. Look at that. We got one
I have
too.
so many desserts.
How
I don't
many
even
desserts
know
do you have over there?
what to do with the. I got some cheesecake.
Well, I thought I was gonna have to order another one, but they got it all here. So I'm getting coffee and all the desserts. So I want to eat this. What is this? Is this birthday cake?
I was like amped and she was ready to go to bed.
Espresso at dinner.
I was like, yeah.
Confetti, but fun.
There's a slant.
Well, probably because the ship moves. So like, as you're going, it goes this way, and then it goes this way, and then it goes this way, and then it goes this way. Shut up. You didn't make it.
Shove it?
Yep.
Really?
Just shove it.
Like this.
Yep.
And I go as hard as I can.
I would aim for the depth.
I know, but hard.
Well, fairly.
Like,
So harder.
I'll take this. Oh.
So it's kind of like cornhole, right?
Don't hit anybody with that. Oh.
see? That's you never knew the ship moved and it went that way. The ship moved.
I done broke it.
You done broke it.
I need to zoom in.
You have to move this. Like you physically.
Oh, that's what you did. I know autofocus.
Yeah, it should. If not, you just tap yourself.
Yeah.
You're good at this. Yeah. I can already tell.
No, I'm clearly not. My stick keeps breaking. What?
Alyssa, is there anything you're not good at?
Yes, and sadly, people ask me that way too often.
Because you're good at so many things.
I'm like, yeah, there's a lot of things I'm bad at. Volleyball? Don't ask me to play volleyball. Why won't these work?
I doubt it.
No, I'm really bad. Go ahead. Nice. Well, it's okay. Are all of these not working?
You're like, did she win? Does that mean you won?
I always think you're running. I mean,
Good luck.
Oh, okay.
See, isn't that fun?
It's also supposed to launch the end of the thing. Okay.
I don't think any of the other ones work. Oh, good job.
Golly.
golly.
That is nothing.
It doesn't count.
Seriously?
Yep.
Yep.
You got it.
It's okay. For real, doesn't count now.
Whoa!
Ninja.
You're just like a ninja.
Look at that. There's no sound to that jump, too.
Whoa!
Ninja!
You're just like a ninja.
Look at that. There's no sound to that jump, too.
I have reflexes like a cat. I'm a ninja. It's that CrossFit.
And then you go.
Is that CrossFit?
then we just bow.
Go pull up.
Almost one.
That one was higher.
Yeah.
There we go.
Yeah. Yeah. Beat him, baby. Beat him.
Beat him. No, my hands will
Again,
fall.
very slippery.
That's pretty high.
I'll film it.
No. No, my hands are totally.
1, 2, tres leches. 4, 5.
That's amazing.
Hey.
One more.
I mean, did you do 3?
Yeah. She did 2 more.
My hands are very slippery.
Yeah. I'm proud of you.
Yeah, let's go. Drink some champagne.
Well, that was fun. We just watched Alyssa do some pull-ups. She got her workout in. And now we're about to go drink some champagne.
And just still kick my butt. It's 9:52. So we came up back to the room, drank some champagne, went upstairs, tried to watch a movie. They have a very interesting selection of movies that they've been playing this cruise. We weren't into it, but at 10 o'clock, which is in 8 minutes, we are going to go ice skating. So we are on our way down to Studio B. Right now, we had to change clothes. Well, I did, because I can't ice skate in what I was wearing. Bring socks and long pants to ice skate. But we're gonna do that, have a good time, hopefully.
It's gonna be.
What are you doing?
Charging this thing for tomorrow.
Oh, no, he has to work tomorrow. So hopefully we can get some cool footage of us just going around, because you can't take the cameras on the ice, of course. And then after that, there's 80s party in the promenade. And then, well, there's supposed to be a comedian. I don't think I can stay up that late. One, because we have to leave tomorrow. However, I just had a tiki tea that has caffeine in it, so we'll see where the night takes us.
We'll see. We'll see.
We'll see. But here we go. On our way out. Whoo! I'm feeling that tiki tea now.
Liddy City.
All right, Liddy City. All right, there we go.
What's up, Paradise Crew? We are back in the room, relaxing from an amazing day. I'm pretty tired. I'm pretty beat. Alyssa, how are you?
I'm very sleepy.
Oh, Pookie Bear is sleepy.
I am sleepy. So I do want to say, I'm really sad though that we didn't get to go ice skating.
Oh.
And actually, at this point, if we even decided we wanted to go ice skating, it is 11:15, and we still wouldn't have been ice skating.
Yeah.
So they open ice skating from like 10, I guess, until midnight, which I feel is super late.
Yeah.
But we stood in line and we got there before 10, and they handed us blue tickets, and they're like, "This is a time slot for 11:20." I was like, "Are you kidding me?"
It's like,
I said, "Do you want to go skating at 11:20?" And everyone was like, "No." I said, "Me either. I don't know who does, but that's ridiculous."
Yeah.
So we didn't get to go ice skating, and that was a bummer.
Yeah. Man, there are people still behind us waiting in line too. So I mean, I can only imagine their ticket. Like,
Well, it was the only other slot. So if if you run out of tickets, they run out of tickets, and then you just don't get to go.
oh,
So that's,
Bummer.
Yeah, I think they just need to have it open a little bit longer than
Yeah.
they did. That's all. It was kind of upsetting. But.
yeah. But I mean, the cruise is not over yet. Technically, we can still get breakfast with Jacqueline and Bruce tomorrow. So I am looking forward to that. We're gonna, finish packing up in here, and then we'll have some grub tomorrow morning.
Some grub.
I would like to see, I'd like to hear what they think about everything.
Oh yeah.
So
Yeah, we hope they had a great time.
Yeah.
I mean, it's a very short weekend, so even if they did not have a good time, you know, they could just be like, yeah, we're just getting off tomorrow, so it doesn't. We just will never talk to you guys again, but it's fine. No, I think they did. But yeah, I would love to hear their thoughts.
Out of scale of 1 to 10, what would you say if that's a thing? Should we rank it right now or rank it later?
Rank the whole trip or the ship?
The ship.
I love the ship. The ship reminds me of the Mariner with all the new things, but also the Freedom.
Yeah.
Like, because it's more of the size of the Freedom than because Mariner it's a little larger than this. I love the ship. I love all the activities that they have on board, but I wish there are more times available to do all the things on board.
Yeah.
You know, there were so many things that I wanted to do, and we just didn't get to do them. So that kind of sucks.
So, but guys, I hope you're enjoying these episodes, these videos. So, this episode's not done yet, but if you're enjoying the series, give us a thumbs up. It really helps us, you know? So, anything else?
No, I'm sleepy, and I need to finish packing. So.
All right. So, we'll see you guys in the morning. Peace!
Good morning, Paradise crew. We're getting off the ship this morning, and I'm really sad. I need at least one more day. However, so we came upstairs to eat breakfast. The Windjammer was packed. We ate in Jamie's. Getting ready to go. I'm checking our onboard account charges and comparing them to what has charged my account. And we're missing a whole set of onboard credit, which I'm pretty sure, for some reason, Cullen's account was never linked to my card. So every time I do it, I put a card down, and then I put both of our names under it, because why have two separate cards when it's all the same money? And he went to go buy a drink the first day, and then they said that he couldn't because he didn't have a card linked, and I didn't think anything of it. I was like, well, yeah, you do, but this is my card. So I'm pretty sure they're going to make us stop at guest services.
Yeah.
So we're gonna try to do that. Yeah, I'd rather do it now than like just literally have all of our stuff and get ready to get out the door, and then they'd be like, well, you can't leave. So we are going to try to do that right now. I'm sure the line is still stupid long, and I'm not looking forward to it. However, we can't find Jacqueline's CPAS card either, and Bruce called 3 times yesterday, and the lady at guest services said that they didn't need it, which any time that we've ever been on a cruise, we know that's not the case. They need to scan it so you can get off. If you don't have it, you have to go get another one. So we're just gonna try to get all that situated, but it's already 8:05, so everyone's supposed to be off at like 9. Oh well, we'll get all this figured out and keep you guys posted. That's the wrong side. Okay, quick update. It's 9:18. It took us 45 minutes to go to guest services.
Yeah.
So that line was a little long, but we got it taken care of.
Yeah.
Essentially, his account wasn't linked to mine, even though we were in the same room. So I don't know what happened, but that was a
No
thing.
idea. That's the thing. So make sure you link your cards.
And you actually can get off the ship without your CPAS card.
Yeah, that's a new rule.
Well, I don't know if it's a new rule, but it's a thing. If you lose it, it's okay. We're out here waiting for the shuttle. One just left as we came up.
Yeah.
So we might be like 10 minutes or so.
Yeah. So apologize in advance for the audio. I'm sure it's loud out here, but it is what it is.
It's what it is. It's what it is. Did you guys have a great time?
Yes, we had a great. I wasn't ready.
Yes.
ready.
I'm gonna go this way. There we go. Now I can see
There
your
we
beautiful
are.
faces.
We had a wonderful time.
Great
Thank you
time.
so much.
Yeah.
And we're looking forward to the next one.
Yep.
Oh, I love
next
that. When is that?
You will have to tell us.
Oh, perfect.
Tell us where to be and we'll be there.
Right.
Love that. All right. So next week we're going. I'm just kidding. Are you ready to close everything out?
Yeah. Guys, thank you for traveling with us on this series. We hope you enjoyed it. If you dig the vibes, please subscribe.
And if you care, please share. We'll see you in paradise. Bye.
Peace.